arrived on the flight from New York. He's talking to someone. I'll follow them.
And have you been to the UK before?
A few times, actually. I work for a magazine in the States, New York 24/7. We have a sister company in London.
Oh, I see. And are you here on business this time?
Sort of. I'm here for a few meetings, but I have a couple of days off beforehand. I'm visiting my father-in-law in the countryside. How about you? How was your holiday in New York?
It wasn't really a holiday. I was doing some research there.
Sounds interesting.
It was, but I didn't have much time for sightseeing. Is your husband coming too?
No, he's working.
What does he do?
He's a journalist. He's on assignment in Alaska at the moment.
In Alaska? Wow.
I know, right? I've never been, but he says it's incredible.
I can imagine. A bit different from the English countryside.
That's true.
I better go. Oh, before I forget, here's your laptop.
Oh, yeah, thanks a lot. Sorry, I didn't ask your name.
Andrew Page. And yours?
Jenny Zielinski. It was nice meeting you.
You too.
And thanks again for helping with my bags.
No problem. Have a great time at your father-in-law's.
I will, if I ever get through here.
Bye then.
Yeah, bye. Take care. Henry, hi. Yeah, I'm here at last. The flight was late taking off. I'm so sorry you've had to wait for me. I know, and you won't believe this. It looks like my suitcase didn't get here. I'm not sure. It's turning out to be a nightmare. Can't wait to just get back to your house and... Oh, hang on, I have to go. It's my turn. Bye.